Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to share with you 5 minutes skin whitening for open pores, oily skin face pack to whiten skin tone naturally in just 5 minutes. And this face pack is very effective if you do have oily skin or open pores. Then this face pack is actually for you. It's super effective, yet the ingredients are so simple. The first thing we'll need is 2 teaspoons of wheat flour, yani ki gahu atta. And then we'll need to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is very good for skin naturally, so we'll need to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. And then we'll need to add 1 teaspoon of natural honey, yani ki shahad. And then we'll need to add 2 teaspoons of rose water, yani ki gulab gel, and we'll need to add 2 teaspoons, like so my friends. Once we add the rose water, now we'll need to mix all the ingredients until we get the face pack, creamy face pack like so. Now our face pack is ready. Once we get this cream thick pack, it's actually ready. Apply it on your skin and leave it for 15 minutes and you will already get a magical results. This is very simple, yet it's super effective face pack to suit oily skin and the open pores, especially in summer. It whitens the skin tone naturally and will get it fair, spotless and glowing. So after you leave it for 15 minutes, and then my friends, wash it with normal water and you will get the results instantly. It's super effective. You will notice that your skin is actually glowing. Don't forget to give that video a like and share it with your family and friends. I'm sure that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my NGWorld channel and turn on the bell icon to never miss any upcoming simple and natural effective remedy, and I'll see you in my next video.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.